This is really a very nice house. Yes, very nice house. Yeah, 5211. Very nice. Windy Lane. Nice home. This is a small video. We're going to the door. I'm gonna show you around. This video may not be perfect, but you can see what is going on here. Yes. This is this beautiful house. When you enter, got some very nice flooring. Look at the wood. When you enter is the marble floor. This here is the dining room. You can see floor is very nice. It's got this beautiful light. It's so beautiful. Yes. Okay. Now let me take you to the living room. When you walk in, the living room is just straight in front of you. Yeah. Very cozy with a fireplace. Very nice, very spacious. Really huge. Yes, very spacious house. You can see all the side is wood. Very nice, classic, beautiful wood. Yes, and let me take you to the master bedroom, which is right around the corner. Oh, this is a guest bathroom right here. Guest bathroom. When you come to this, your guest bathroom, very nice, half bath. And then this is the master bedroom. Look at that. Very huge, with big windows, large windows. Yes, master with a wooden, beautiful dark wood floor. And then this is your master bath, which is really nice. Very nice. Nice bathroom. Take a look at this. Take a look at that. Yes, that's your master bathroom. Yes, look at the tub, bathtub. Yes, very nice bathtub. And then this is where you stand up shower with a glass door front, and of course the marble flooring, very nice. And you got double sink, very beautiful. Double sink in your master bathroom. Really impressive. Contractor did a very good job. Complete remodeling. Yes. And then this is actual, of course, this is the master bedroom. Then let's go here. Let's go upstairs. Got a beautiful wooden steps. Look at that. So beautiful. Yes, very beautiful. Going upstairs. My video may not be perfect, but at least you get a glimpse of this house, how beautiful it looks. Very nice. Yes. For the price, I think it's a very... Now this is the second bedroom. Very spacious. That's your second bedroom for maybe your kids. And then the second bedroom We got the second bedroom and the third bedroom have the same bath with double sink. Yes, you can walk through this to the third bedroom. Got its own shower. Yes. Okay. And this is the third bedroom, of course. Very, very spacious. Very nice, with beautiful trees out the window. Beautiful trees here. Yeah. Peaceful. Okay. So let's check out. Of course, this is the closet for this room, walk-in closet. Yes, very nice, average size. Let's go to the third bedroom, right here in the corner. First of all, this here is, look at that, where a storage where you can leave your sheets and towels and stuff like that. And this is the third bedroom. Okay, it's got its own little shelvings here. Yes, nice. Also got its own walk-in closet. Very nice. You're gonna enjoy Kenwood, beautiful Kenwood. Kenwood is right here. Beautiful home in Kenwood. So that's the third bedroom. Yes, indeed. And also, third bedroom. I don't know this. That door is locked, but we find out what is in there. Okay. So this is the beautiful. I just want you to see how this house look like when you walk in here. You know, a little video tour of the house, standing upstairs and looking downstairs. Yes, indeed. So that will give you an idea of how this house look like. Yeah. So that's it. Bring your clients, let them look at it, and please leave a business card. Thank you.